Félicette, the cat who touched the stars. In 1963, as the world's attention was riveted on the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union, a small, humble animal from France was about to make history. Her name was Félicette, and she became the first cat to journey into space. At the time, space agencies were still trying to understand how space travel might affect living organisms. The French space program decided to use cats because their anatomy and physiology made them suitable for the complex tests that needed to be performed. 14 cats were selected for training. They were put through a series of tests to assess their tolerance for confinement, the effects of high-speed travel, and how well their brains responded to changes in pressure and gravity. Félicette, the female tuxedo cat, was chosen for the historic mission. Her journey began on October 18, 1963. She was carefully placed inside a capsule atop a Veronique rocket at a test range located in the Algerian desert, and from there, she took to the stars. Although Félicette is often overshadowed by other, more famous animal astronauts, her contribution was just as valuable. She experienced around 5 minutes of weightlessness as her craft soared to an altitude of 157 kilometers before parachuting safely back to Earth. She survived the journey unharmed, and the data collected from her flight was crucial to France's space program, as it allowed scientists to study the effects of space travel on a complex mammal. The information gathered from monitoring her brain activity during flight helped pave the way for future missions involving humans, and her voyage remains a key milestone in the history of space exploration. Despite her heroic journey, Félicette's story did not end on a joyful note. A few months after her mission, she was euthanized so scientists could further study her brain and understand the long-term effects of spaceflight. For many years, Félicette's contribution to space exploration was largely forgotten, even within France. But in 2019, thanks to the efforts of animal lovers and space history enthusiasts, she finally received the recognition she deserved. A crowdfunding campaign successfully raised funds for a commemorative statue, honoring her as the unsung feline hero of the space age. The statue, unveiled in 2019 at the International Space University in Strasbourg, France, depicts Félicette proudly standing atop a globe, gazing up towards the stars. It is a tribute to her sacrifice and important role in aiding humanity in deciphering the mysteries of space. Though she didn't choose to be an astronaut, her flight was a significant leap on the road to the stars. As we look to the sky and dream of distant worlds, let us remember the paws who helped us take those first steps and honor the quiet contributions that made our progress possible.